CTC Union's Industrial Power over Ethernet product series is available in unmanaged or managed family models that support fast Ethernet or Gigabit Ethernet with port densities of 1 to 24 ports. These wide-ranging products include switches, converters, injectors, and splitters that cover market segments of transportation, smart city, security, and industrial automation. Depending on the model, CTC's PoE switches support 15 to 30 watt standard on 2 twisted pairs and up to 60 watts with 4 Ethernet pairs. These different power ranges can be applied to different segments of power devices, from low-power VoIP phones to the power demands of outdoor speed dome cameras. CTC's Power Boost feature is especially useful when deploying PoE in a commercial vehicle such as a bus, where only 12 or 24 volts DC is available. PoE output can drive standard PoE networking devices on the bus, such as IP cameras, network video recorders, wireless access points for public Wi-Fi, GPS devices for fleet tracking, as well as electronic ticketing devices. CTC's Intelligent Transportation Series switches work with a wide voltage range of 24 to 110 volts DC, allowing stable PoE to network devices such as IP cameras, digital signage, passenger information, and communication systems. With CTC's power device monitoring, a non-responsive PD can be automatically power reset. This feature alone can save many truck rolls resetting hung cameras or access points. Another PoE management feature is power on-off scheduling, which can be used for power saving as well as for security. Flexible programming allows for an entire week's schedule of on-off control per port. A PoE injector is a device designed to work between any Ethernet switch and a power device by injecting DC voltage on the Ethernet cable. Power devices can include IP cameras, wireless access points, and VoIP phones. A passive PoE injector is a device designed to work between any Ethernet switch and a non-standard power device. Passive PoE injectors inject DC voltage for use by an ad hoc or non-standard power device system. Older non-standard PoE devices are also referred to as passive power devices. CTC's passive injectors allow selecting voltage delivery in either A mode or B mode and includes a voltage selector. Another scenario which combines standard power source PoE with non-standard power devices uses a passive PoE converter. The PoE converter acts as a standard power device and will negotiate with any IEEE standard PoE power source equipment. The output cable from the converter then carries passive PoE and data to a non-standard PD. The PoE converter includes settings for mode setting, A or B, and output voltage selection. In this scenario, which combines standard power source PoE with non-PoE devices, we use a PoE splitter. The PoE splitter acts as a standard power device and will negotiate power with any IEEE standard PoE power source equipment. The output connector from the splitter has screw terminals which can attach DC voltage to a non-PoE device, such as an IP camera or wireless access point. The PoE splitter includes a voltage setting switch which is set to provide the proper operating voltage for the non-standard PoE device. Deploying a PoE splitter can save the huge expense of running dedicated power to each end device. A PoE media converter is a special device which combines an optical to electrical media converter and adds PoE capability to the electrical port. This effectively combines two products into one. The converter requires a DC input, but the PoE power device may be located up to 100 meters away with UTP cable only. CTC's non-managed fiber media converters with PoE includes a reset PD feature. When a fiber link is lost, the PSE will power down to the remote PD. This allows for remote power resetting manually by disconnecting the fiber locally. A PoE LAN extender is a special device which can extend a LAN up to 1.2 kilometers over a simple single twisted pair telephone line, and at the same time provide DC power over that twisted pair to power the remote LAN extender and provide standard power sourcing to any standard PoE power device. This concludes our video presentation. Thank you for your time.